Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and you are about to watch a clip from a recent live stream. Now, I live stream just about weekly and usually Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You could always catch those streams live for free. Make sure if you want to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell if you want to get notified, but I always try to schedule it a few days in advance so you'll see it. Now, if you can't catch the full live stream, while they do go away after the stream is done, you could become a member of the Build Something Club. That's my membership, and members have access to all previous live streams, the entire archive, and a lot more, like ad-free extended episodes of my podcast, access to a community, automations I'm building, and lots of other great stuff. So if you like this clip, be sure to subscribe to this channel, sign up for the Build Something Club, and get out there and build something. Thanks. So let's. I'm gonna hide my face here so you can see more of the screen. And this is starting to look a little bit cramped, so I'll come up here. I'll set it to a wide width. I want to bold. And then we'll grab the actual address, which is, I think it's degli Uffizi, Piazzale degli Uffizi in Firenze, but who knows? Lots of people know. People who speak Italian know, people who live in Italy know. I can do that. Do I need what you use, or can I just do it with StreamYard? I think so. I'm using Restream. Great question. I'll put it up on the screen here because it is a good question. I'm using Restream. I'm pretty sure that Restream and StreamYard are competitors. So I think everything probably that I'm doing here, and I should say I'm also using Ecamm Live. I don't really think I need Ecamm Live to just do the straight live streams, but I use Ecamm Live for everything. Recording videos, doing the live streams, and what have you. And then that also connects to my Stream Deck, which allows me to kind of easily switch between scenes, change the lights, and all sorts of other stuff. So I don't know how well the Stream Deck integrates with StreamYard, but as far as just streaming to multiple platforms, you can definitely do that. Great question, Todd. Thank you for that. Okay, so we have this. The other thing I'm not entirely sure of is the formatting of addresses outside of the United States. So we'll just kind of do it like that. We'll preview this. And I like it. Now this is not set in stone. Anybody who copies this block pattern will be able to change it to their preferences, but I like middle aligning everything. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I want to keep the columns. And I think now with columns, we can straight up, we can set a background color. Usually I would convert this to a group so that we can get the background color going, but we don't need that anymore. And it's like a solid color here. Is that good? That looks okay, pretty bold. I guess if it's for Leonardo, I can go with like a blue, darker blue, and then set the, that's the link color. Oh. Doot. I don't know how anything works apparently. I don't really like that though. Mel Choice was a lot better at this than I am. She would find like a background. I don't know if we could do background image colors though for this. Again, we'd probably have to set this to a group. Let's see. Well, I'll copy this now. And then convert to a group. And background color. So we can do gradient. So maybe I'll just do that. Are Are we columns again? We are. What? Oh, because this is. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Thanks. Thanks, Patty. Maybe we can get a little gradient action going here. So maybe we'll start at like a darker blue. And we'll move across to like a lighter blue. And then we need to definitely change the text color. That looks nice. I called myself a plebe the other day. We were talking about camera lenses, and somebody asked me about mine. And I have a Figma with an f-stop of 16, so it's a fixed lens, which is how we get the blurry background. And I said, you know, it's like $350 or whatever, which is expensive. And then I had to qualify to a plebe like me, because I know like actual photographers pay like a couple $1,000s for just lenses. Todd, the payment thing for donations, it's actually through YouTube. Once you reach a certain threshold of, I think, subscribers and viewed hours, you have the opportunity to monetize your channel in certain ways. And one of those ways is super chats and super stickers. So people can essentially do a super chat where they can pay to pin a comment to the top. And I think the more they pay, the longer the comment is pinned. And then super stickers, again, you get to choose, you get to like pay for a graphic to send in the chat. Couple hundred is still a bit, for sure. For sure it is, especially because I'm not a photographer. But I just kind of bought this setup wholesale from a guy on YouTube. Not from a guy on YouTube. This was the recommended setup. His name is, his YouTube channel is DSLR Shooter. So good. I love his videos. I think Brian Richards told me about him. And so I have this setup mostly thanks to him. I like the way it looked, and I kind of just bought it. So he probably made a bunch of affiliate money off of me that day. Cool. All right. I like the way that this turned out.